Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. I received a message. Someone asked how to print from your mobile phone to HP printer. This printer is HP MV6020. To print your document from your mobile phone, okay, to the printer, you need to go to your file. So go to your mobile files on your mobile phone, okay, and select document you want to print out. So these are documents I have, okay, in my file. So I want to print out this document. Select the document you want to print out, okay, and this 2 pages document. Okay, now to print this document out, we need to go on top and select the 3 dots. When you select the 3 dots, then you need to select print, okay, and you will see this app. Okay, so you need to scroll down as well to select HP MV6000 series. Select on it. Then you wait for the printer to be ready, and the printer is ready. It's showing us yellow here. Okay, now this document, you can do so many things with this document. So you can select, okay, to print 2-sided. You select to print 2-sided long edge, and also select the color to be colored. You select how many copies. You select portrait, and you can also select if you want to print all of them or print specific page. Okay, so you want to print all of them, then select print. Now this document now is printing. Okay, remember we selected to print 2-sided. This is the document we printed out. Okay, this is the document we printed out. Now what this printer is doing now is printing alignment head. Okay, for us to complete the alignment head. Printing alignment head will make the printer function effectively. So what it's doing now is automatically printing the alignment head. Okay, this is the alignment head for this printer. Okay, place this page face down, okay, and close the lid. Select, then press blinking copy button. Okay, so open it up and okay, and select. You can see the blinking copy button, so press it. So this is how to print the document, also complete the alignment head. Okay, the alignment is done. Just need to remove this and discard it. Okay, so now this printer is pretty much ready for us to print. Okay, another way to print documents here is for you to go to HP Smart App. This printer and my mobile phone is connected via HP Smart App. So we're just gonna open it up. Okay, and from the HP Smart App, you need to just select add to make sure you select the correct printer. Add a printer already on the Wi-Fi network. Okay, select the printer. Okay, and now the next thing to do is for you to print document. You need to select print document. Okay, select PDF. Now select the document you want to print. Okay, this is the document you want to print. Okay, select the printer. It's processing. Okay, from here you can do so many things. You can select how many copies you want. Also print two-sided, print color, and private pickup. Select the paper type. So you can do so many things. Okay, once you select all the features you want, you can also select automatic or best quality or normal, scaling, fit, field, page. If you have printing photo, then you select photo. This is document you are printing. Okay, then you go back and select print. So this document now is printing. So we selected to print single page here. Okay, if you want to print double-sided, then you need to select double-sided. Okay, so to print, so this is the document we printed out, colored. Okay, single page each. The first one, we printed this one double-sided. Okay. If you want to print double-sided using the HP Smart app, select print. Okay, then where it's written double-sided, then you select double-sided long edge and select print. So now this document is going to print double-sided. It's going to go back inside. Yeah, so this is the document we printed out, double-sided. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Let me know if there's any other thing you want me to show you. This printer is pretty much ready to go. So this is how to print document from your mobile device to HP printer at the same time. Complete alignment head. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.